And the 2-2 pitch. Popped up. Right around home plate. Kratz off with the mask. Under it. Makes the catch. And Roy Halladay has become the 109th pitcher in Major League Baseball history to record his 200th victory. 8 strong innings today. And Jonathan Papelbon closed the door here in the 9th inning as the Phillies win it 2-1 over the Miami Marlins. It's time to pop a little champagne for Roy Halladay.
Yeah, Frank Kokenbarger has a nice special bottle. It's been around for a little while now because they've been hoping he would get to that, and they brought it down here to Miami with him, and they'll have a little fun in the clubhouse with that.
Aged beautiful.